So Mark's filling the water tank, getting ready to leave. Getting ready to leave Ocracoke Island, North Carolina. This morning is Thursday, February 8th. The winds have died down to 14 miles an hour out of the northeast. It's time to think about headed home so Mark can get back to work early March. Shoes off, shoes on.
Shoes off. Shoes on.
Time to go for a boat ride. Goodbye, Ocracoke Island. We are headed north. That dreaded 5-letter word.
How long before we say we're going in the wrong direction?
We're going the wrong direction. Alright, so that was our slip right there. We just left. And this is where the ferries come in and out. And we have a wind speed of 14 miles an hour.
Down to 13.
Down to 13.
All part of the plan.
We've been waiting several days for the winds to come down.
Activating stabilizers.
Jesus. 2 footers? Yeah. Good thing I put the plants down.
Yeah.
rain for a couple of hours as we left Ocracoke. It was pretty uncomfortable, but now we have much better seas, and it's probably 1 to 2 footers as we were expecting the whole day, but it didn't quite start out that way. So it's sunny, little scattered clouds, but it's certainly turning out to be a much better afternoon than it was morning. And we're unfortunately heading back north. We have about 3 weeks to make our way back to New England, so we're going to definitely take our time and hope that the weather holds out so that we can, have a safe, uneventful journey. And unlike this morning, that was a bit crazy, and I did not like that at all. But it's much better now, and we've been cruising since about 10:30-ish this morning, and we should be at our anchorage in about 2 more hours. So thanks for following along. As I say always, we definitely appreciate you tuning in and following our journey. I hope everybody is well, and stay tuned because we will keep on cruising for a few more weeks. This is like the first sign of life we've seen since we left Ocracoke. Looks like this is not the only fishing vessel out here. Looks like there's another one up ahead. 2 more up ahead. But my stupid ass phone is blurring out so you can't see it. Oh, there it goes.
I'm gonna keep going. A couple hours.
What? Where? To where? Where are you gonna go? A couple more hours? It's already 2:30.
I was gonna go there, but the wave direction is still coming this way, and by looking at that boat, I just don't want you to be uncomfortable while we're at anchor.
I've been uncomfortable all day. What's the difference?
So I'm taking another gamble that we can come up here right to the backside of Roanoke. Even again with the wind direction coming this way. Have the island to protect us.
Mark's getting the anchor ready. He said to keep us in the 10 feet mark. We are on the opposite side of Mineo as the dock that we stayed at. So the airport and the North Carolina Aquarium on Roanoke Island that we visited is right there. So we will be here for the night. tomorrow the plan is to tackle the Pamlico Sound. After just about 7 hours worth of cruising, the generator is causing trouble, so Mark has to replace the impeller on the generator. What does an impeller look like?
That's what an impeller looks like. And as soon as I took the hose off, this piece came out. So what I'll do is I'll keep all the pieces that I find and try to make this broken impeller look complete again, so I can see if there's any missing pieces.
Okay.
So anyway, when I started it, it sounded funny. And so then I grabbed the exhaust hose to see if I could hear and feel the water moving past it, and I couldn't. So then I went out back, and instead of seeing water shooting out, all I saw was steam. We only ran it for a minute.
Oh, well, there's the broken impeller. Pretty broken. So while Mark is downstairs working on the generator, I threw together a salad for dinner. This, and if the generator is up and running, I will heat up some meatballs. Generator's running.